Auzu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about filter loop. In very simple words, a filter loop is a way to select certain items from a list and put them in a new list. Imagine you have a list of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to make a new list that only have the even numbers 2 and 4. You can use a filter loop to do this. Like here I have put some examples. First example we will look. We have created a variable. It is words and its value is an array. And in array there are many values like spray, elite, exuberant, destruction, present. These are the values of array. And then here we have created an other variable known as result. And then we have written that it is equal to this value, and it is now some complicated that what is here words dot filter, meaning these words are here our this variable dot filter, meaning we are using this one array values. Then we have written here arrow function that word just word we have written here is equal to, like, this is function arrow function one, this is and we have used here function, and then here is word dot length is greater than 6. Here it is saying that words dot filter that filter this one array with this, that we want like this values which word length should be greater than 6. So here are only 3 words which length is greater than 6. Word length is greater than 6, that is this one, this one, and this one, because as you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, it's greater than. So these 3 values will print because its word length is greater than. Because here dot length is we have used here to find the characters in this word. So if I will run it, so these 3 will print. As you can see, it's printed. I will increase the terminal size so it will come in one line. As you can see, it's came. And here these all 3 words are came, these one here, because these characters are, these words have more character than 6, that's why it's printed here. So we can use filter word like this, which values we want. Here's now our other example, that we have created a function and its name is big enough, and then we have passed our parameter known as value. Then we have started our function and we have written here return value. Return is a keyword and value is greater than or equal to 10. This is our normal function. Then here we will come, first we will discuss this, that we will understand that what is happening here. Const filtered. Filtered is not any loop or any keyword, it's our variable, normal variable. I can change it to, like if I will write here only filter like this, I can write, and here too if I will change filter like this, it's our variable, but I will change it because it was okay. So here is 12, 5, 8, 130 and 44 are the values, and then we have written here dot filter is big enough. Is big enough is our function here, and here our filter values are one array and its values are these numbers. Then we have console our filtered here. If I will run it, so 12, 130 and 44 will print here, because here we have given our function is big enough and value is our parameter. And then we have used here dot filter method. We have used our function here that turn value greater than or equal to 10. Which values are greater than 10, print that, are equal to 10, print that values. If I will put here one other value known which is 10 like this, so 10 will also print because it is equal to, so as you can see 10 is printed. But if I will remove from here equal to sign, so 10 will not come. As you can see, it's not coming up. So we have given our like this, our condition that it should be greater than 10. Which numbers are greater than 10 in this array, print that number. So 130, 44 and 12 are greater than that, so it's printed. So it's very simple. Our third example is this one, that we have created a number variable, numbers a variable, and its value is 1 2 3 4 5, and const 3 is a variable equal to number dot filter. Numbers is our here this variable, dot filter method we have used here, that num and arrow function, and num is here. This is an arrow function here. This is an arrow function that we can use arrow function in a straight line. Explicit and implicit, these are some methods, so we have used here implicit method. So num arrow function, num is equal to, num is 3 times equal to. You can use double equal to or triple equal to. So its meaning is that triple equal to, that we have said strictly that it should be strictly equal to this, not anything else. It is used in many things. If I will write a double, so it is not strict, but in this it will check strictly, meaning it will check the property or data type. So it is number here, so only number will print, anything else will never print. So it is triple equal to, then we have did here this console, the 3 is our this variable. So first we'll discuss it what is happening in this one filter loop, that we filtered these numbers, that which numbers are equal to 3, triple equal to 3, strictly equal to 3, print that. So here are 2 3, as you can see here are in this array there are 2 3s, so 2 times 3 will print 3, like this output would be. As you can see, it's printed because we have said strictly. If I will write here but other like condition, that greater than or equal to, so 3 3 4 5, like 3 4 3 5 is printed here because 4 and 5 are greater than 3, and I have given a condition that greater than 2. So as you can see that the filter loop is very simple. So thank you guys. In this video, all this meant we will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.